Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today we're talking about the new Instagram. Okay, so here we are on what is called the new Instagram, but in reality it's not much different. It's just the same Instagram and they moved like one button, and it's super cluttered. It's way more cluttered than it's ever been. There's more stuff than there's ever been, and it's finally becoming what Facebook, who owns Instagram, wanted all along: Facebook version 2. Whether you like it or not, Instagram is Facebook version 2. It's the most cluttered app I've ever seen. They just keep adding stuff in here and it's insane. We got the home screen, there's posts, there's stories up at the top. There's literally 5 different ways to access the camera. You can swipe right. You can tap the plus sign in the top right corner on the home screen. You can tap the plus sign in your little bubble on the top left. Go to the Reels section and tap the icon top right corner. You can go to your Pro tab and tap the icon in the top right corner. It's absolutely insane. Who even remembers Instagram when it was basic? I think there was just home, search, activity in your profile, then a way to upload posts, the good old days. Now it's an actual cluster F. It's like 5 apps all jumbled into one app that people just like stare at and their eyes bleed, and they just scroll all day and they tap these stories all day. Like, come on, bruh. I don't even know what I should look at when I open this thing up anymore. It's just out of control. I mean, look at the bottom of the screen right now. There's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 buttons within a tiny strip along the bottom of the screen. So that's my take on it. Instagram is basically the same as before. They just keep adding more and more and more and more stuff. It's Facebook version 2. They realized Facebook wasn't as good as Instagram, so they took Facebook and they put it in Instagram. Some people don't believe it, but they just got finessed. So really the only thing that's moved in the new Instagram, as they're calling it, is that the post button for the home screen is now up here in the top right corner. Bam. And that was just so they could clutter more stuff down here along the bottom. So drop a comment down below of what you think they will add next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the